We're hard at work here. We're getting the house ready for painters. They're supposed to get started tomorrow, so the team is scrambling. They're not gonna stop working while I'm talking to you. Since we last shot video here, we've got the flooring in, we've got the cabinets in, so let's just have a look around and see what's happened here. So in here, kitchen cabinets are all in, island is in. We don't get too fussed about the detailing on the alignment of the doors and drawers at this point in time. The cabinet company will come back and do final adjustments once everything else is done. But I mean, it's looking really good and everything is really close. Again, the flooring is in and that's a wonderful thing. One important note is when you are installing cabinets or anything and you're dealing with a floating floor, which is what we've done on this project, you actually have to cut the flooring away from the floor so that you don't have anything left sitting on top of the flooring itself. Floating floor is not gonna be happy if you have something sitting on top of it. So here we are, and we're having a little look and see what's going on underneath the flooring here. You might think that flooring is going underneath the cabinets there, but you'd be wrong. You can see it's just there to hold up this kick. So the kick sits on top of the floor, but the actual cabinets themselves sit on top of the subfloor. So that's all been cut out, you can see there. And then again, coming in here, the fridge will sit in this opening here. And the cabinets themselves don't actually sit on the flooring itself. So the team is getting all of this baseboard in, window returns and casings. Poke upstairs and see what's going on. So that's looking really nice color too here. Again, trim details, turn around the window, shower tile, all in and grouted now, really nice and clean. So down here, we've got baseboard in, all the flooring's now in. So we've done a vinyl plank throughout on this project. Looking really nice, really nice. So depending on what price point clients are trying to reach, we sometimes use off-the-shelf vanities. But generally we find kitchen cabinets and that sort of thing, it almost always makes more sense to have them custom made. By the time you try to fit IKEA or other types of kitchen cabinets, it just doesn't work out financially. The numbers don't add up. All right, so that's been a pretty thorough walkthrough of what's been going on at this wonderful project. I know the clients are really excited to get moved in here and start unpacking. We expect to be about a month from today that we will be turning the house over to the client, which is almost exactly where we started as the project timeline when we started this project. So all in all, this project has been a success. Definitely, like every project, we run into some headaches along the way, but realistically, another great project. We have been very fortunate to work with great trades. The cabinetry here has been supplied and installed by Pacific Rim Cabinets. Thank you to Serena and the team at Pacific Rim for the great job that you guys do for us. The electrical here is with Tor Electric. Plumbing is with Pink Plumbing. I think that's it for the shout outs for this video. Our infamous painters, Rockstar Painting, will be here tomorrow to start knocking off the painting and getting that all done. So all in all, very, very exciting. Great things coming up. We'll be back in a couple of weeks, shoot another video and show you what's going on there. Again, if you ever have any questions about what we do or why we do it, please drop a comment below, like and subscribe, all that other nonsense if you feel like it. Just really keen to share what we do with you, and hope that what I show you is helpful in some way, shape, or form. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.